Joe counts 250 peach trees on 25% of the land he owns. He determined that there are 10 trees for every 1,000 square feet of land. About how many acres of land does Joe own? And it says 1 acre is about 43,560 square feet. All right, so this is kind of a puzzle. We have to put this piece of the puzzle together. I'm going to start with this information. There are 10 trees for every 1,000 square feet. All right, and I know that he counts 250 peach trees on 25% of the land. So I could use that to figure out how many square feet is 25% of his land. So I'm going to do 250, the total amount of trees, divided by 10 trees for every 1,000 square feet. And I'm going to set that equal to how much land it is. So for 10 trees, it's 1,000 square feet. And we don't know how many square feet it is for 250 trees. That's kind of what we're trying to figure out with our first step. So if we cross multiply this, 10 times x is 10x. And 250 times 1,000 is 250,000. And then we need to finish solving for x. So I divide each side by 10. And I get 25,000. But let's talk about what that is. That's not the final answer. So what that tells us is this total land that has 250 trees on it is this big. It's 25,000 square feet. So this represents the amount of land that's 25% of the total land that he owns. So now we're going to use that piece of information to figure out his total. So if we take this piece of land that just has the 25% and we divide it by 25% or by 0.25, we get something. We get 100,000 square feet. So he owns 100,000 square feet of land. But now we need to convert that to acres because it doesn't ask how many square feet he owns. It says how many acres does he own. So we're going to use this piece of information to convert it. So we need to take ours and divide it by 43,560. And when we do that, it gives us approximately 2.3 acres.